Welcome back guys, and in your mobile, any Android mobile, this is a Samsung mobile, but in any Android mobile, if you want to know that the sensors are present or not, accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer, gyroscope sensors are present or not, or only virtual sensor are there, how will you find out? I am going to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Not wasting much of your time, quickly I will go to the Play Store and here just search for Core Spec apps. Now I have already downloaded it. Just open it. It will ad will come, and after ad this screen will come. Just go to the sensors, and here you can find out the variety of the sensors here. Pressure, ambient temperature you want to see, it is not available. So gravity sensors, it is available. Accelerometer sensor, it is available. Gyroscope sensor, it is available. So you can check all the sensors. Pressure sensors, it is available, not available. Okay, proximity sensors are available. Heart rate, any sensors you can go and see that the sensors are available in your mobile or not. So if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel, and if you ask something, please mention in the comment. That's all. Thank you very much.